Next I'm going to do it for the steel block. Alright, so here is a steel block. Okay, alright, so first you can see the scale is reading 0, and I'm going to hang it from the way below hook. Alright, so let me hang it. There you go. Alright, so you can see the reading. This is for the steel block. Here's the reading. So this is going to be the mass in air. Okay, so usually anytime you weigh something, you weigh it in the air anyway, because surrounding you do have the air as a fluid. So this is the mass in air for steel block. Alright, next I'm going to submerge in water. Okay, so let me see how you do that. So I'm going to lower this and then put the beaker below and raise the beaker up. Okay, so let's see how much we get. We need to do this for steel block, and then we also need to do it for brass, and then we need to do it for lead also. Alright, so here we go. So let me submerge fully. I make sure that object goes into the water completely, and including the hook maybe. Alright, so just about there. Alright, so you can read, this is going to be the mass in water. Okay, when the object is in the water, here's the mass. Okay, so using these two readings you should be able to find the buoyant force in grams. Alright, now I'm going to remove the object from the hook, and alright, and then next I'm going to do it for the brass weight. Okay, so let me take out my, so here's the brass weight. Okay, again the reading is 0 on top. Okay, so let me hang the brass weight from the hook. Here we go. So that's the brass weight hanging from the hook, and you can see the reading. So this is going to be the mass in air for the brass weight. Alright, next I'm going to bring my beaker, make sure I have enough room to put the beaker under the weight. Oops, a little bit more. Alright, and then I'll raise it up. Okay, and you see the reading again. So let me raise it up. Okay, alright, the object goes into the water. So we remember that this is the, if you want the mass in mass in water, you have to make sure you submerge the object completely in the water. Okay, so it should hang freely in the water. Okay, so here's the reading for that. Okay, so let me show you the object is completely underwater. Okay, and then over here, here's the reading for mass in water for brass weight. Now I'm going to remove this. Alright, I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to do it for my lead block. Here's a lead block. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to hang this again. So again from the hook, but before I hang, I make sure it reads 0. So you can see it's reading 0. Alright, this fluctuates a little bit, but it's 0 anyway. Alright, now I go there and put my put it on the hook right there. Okay, so let me raise it up. Okay, sorry, we need to read this first. Wait. Okay, so here is the mass in air for the lead block. Okay, alright, now I'm going to raise it up in water. So you will see that. So slowly it's raised up. Okay, so we make sure that the object is fully in the water. Here we go. That's about there, I think. Alright, so come over here, read the value. So this will be the mass in water for the lead block.